Did you know that thousands of jobs are vanishing in top tech companies like TCS, Dell, Infosys, NVIDIA? Not because of bad business, but because of artificial intelligence. On July 27, 2025, TCS officially announced it will reduce its global workforce by 2%, cutting around 12,000 jobs, mainly at the mid and senior levels. The company says the move is part of its AI-led restructure and future-ready transformation, even though it insists the cuts aren't just about AI. Why TCS is letting go thousands of its employees? Because TCS is now investing heavily in AI and automation tools. Old roles no longer match the new AI-powered workflows, even though it insists the cuts aren't just about AI. But it's clear AI is replacing routine expertise at scale. And it's not just TCS. Accenture cut 19,000 jobs in 2023. IBM replaced 7,800 HR roles with AI. Microsoft and Amazon slashed tens of thousands in customer support, sales, and operations. In early 2025 alone, over 61,000 tech jobs were cut across 130 companies worldwide as AI began reshaping core business models. AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and automated BI platforms can now handle coding, testing, analytics, and even customer service faster and cheaper than humans. Companies are restructuring to stay competitive, scaling AI while shrinking traditional roles. Does this mean AI is destroying jobs? Partly. It's eliminating routine and repetitive roles, but it's also creating demand for AI engineers, prompt designers, data analysts, and ethics specialists. The message is clear: adapt or risk being replaced. AI isn't just evolving technology, it's evolving jobs. Tech companies are shifting fast. Are you ready to adapt? If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. More real-world AI insights coming soon.